Today, we're cutting through the complexity to get your WordPress site up and running with GoDaddy in just a few clicks. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to your hosting dashboard. You should see a section dedicated to your hosting plan. From your hosting dashboard, click on the Manage button to access your panel or GoDaddy's equivalent hosting panel. This is where the magic happens. Look for the WordPress icon or a clear Install WordPress option. GoDaddy usually has a one-click installer, which makes this process incredibly easy. Click on that icon, and you'll be guided through a simple wizard. The first step will typically ask you to select the domain where you want to install WordPress. Next, you'll enter your administration details for your new WordPress site. This includes your desired username, password, and email address for your WordPress admin login. Make sure to choose strong, secure credentials. Once you've filled in these details, review your selections and hit the install button. GoDaddy will then automatically install WordPress on your chosen domain. In just a few moments, you'll see a confirmation that WordPress has been successfully installed, along with a link to your new WordPress admin dashboard. Click that link, and you're ready to start building your website.